hour ago on the RES Rollerball. First time I've ever ridden one of those. I've seen one before in Coneyland in Switzerland, under construction on Taras, I think it was called. But this is my first actual one. So yeah, basically, as far as I understand, this is a family-friendly 4D coaster because it never goes upside down and it's trimmed to death, but fun nonetheless, apparently. So I'm pretty excited to see what this is all about. Maybe this will cure my headache from Volare. Whoa! Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, this is so much scarier than I expected. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, this is terrifying. Oh, shit. Whoa! I do not like this. Way. Whoa. Whoa. You get some pretty decent whip on this thing. But it is just scary. Wow. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I'll rather ride a sax spin. Definitely.
Oh,